It's a shame, because you cook so well.
How do you fare your chances now, John?
The other guys are really, very high standard as well. Hopefully I've shown you enough.
Jennifer scraped through the invention test and struggled in the pro kitchen. She now needs a perfect round to stand a chance of winning.
All right, tell us what your dishes are.
Carpaccio with grabiche and rapeseed oil, and then smoked haddock fish cakes with 3 types of pea.
What would you say to someone who unkindly suggested that with skill was far too simple for a MasterChef quarter-finalist?
Well, maybe, but I wanted to keep it simple and keep flavours that go well together.
Are they going to make you our quarter-finalist?
I hope so.
I quite like the idea, but every aspect of those 2 very simple dishes has to be absolutely perfect.
You have only 1 minute. That's it, guys. Time's up.
Jonathan is banking on salmon fish cakes with watercress salad, followed by roast leg of lamb with potato crisps, carrots and broad beans.
I love all those flavours of the dill, the rich salmon, the potato, the spicy horseradish cream and the peppery watercress together. I think it's very, very tasty.
Thank you.
I love the flavour of the salmon coming through. The potatoes are soft. I love the use of the dill. I think you could have some more horseradish in your cream.
OK.
To our main course. You cooked a whole leg of lamb. You've given me 2 slices. I feel like I'm standing in a sweetie shop and all you've given me is a wrapper to suck on. Where's the lamb, mate? You could be a big cook, you said you were. You've got distinctive flavours, beautiful lamb, lovely and rich, well seasoned, crispy on the outside. I'm really disappointed, actually, because I was really looking forward to that gutsy lamb, red wine sauce and broad beans and carrots.
You got perfectly cooked, soft, sweet lamb, really nicely seasoned potatoes, sweetness of carrot. It needs a sauce.
Yep.
It's a shame, because you cook so well.
How do you fare your chances now, John?
The other guys are really, very high standard as well. Hopefully I've shown you enough.
Jennifer's made beef carpaccio with a mustard, caper and parsley grabiche sauce and smoked haddock fish cake with 3 types of pea.
I met you and expected somebody who was going to be quite a, I suppose, robust cook. And what I do is look down now at these plates and realise that actually what you do is dainty, refined, and I think beautifully presented.
Thank you.
The carpaccio hasn't got an enormous amount of flavour. You're making up for it with a scented oil and there's a bit of pepper in there as well. It takes guts to come in and do something like that. And it's a lovely looking dish.
Thank you.
There's that hint of sort of ironness and richness that goes with the beef, and then you've got the flavour of the grabiche, which is quite mellow.
Let's bring in your fish cakes. Yeah, it feels creamy in your mouth, yet it's still strong with fish. And the sweetness of pea as a counterbalance, yeah, that's really nice, Jennifer.
Thanks.
Well-cooked sweet peas. I love the zing of that mayonnaise sitting in with that fish, so it now becomes quite creamy, and that's where the sauce is coming from. And if you're talking about feeding kids, and kids will eat that, then, you've won a huge battle.
And our winner is Jennifer. Well done.